very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is 5 pillars of corporate health and fitness, reinventing organizations. Ladies and gentlemen, success in business is not merely measured by financial performance, but by its capacity to endure and to thrive. Much like human health, the health and fitness of an organization are critical for its sustainability. A thriving individual depends on a healthy heart, robust lungs, and an agile mind. Similarly, a thriving organization relies on its people, resources, vision, and operations. These elements form the foundation of enduring success. A business can be viewed as a living entity. Its heart, the people, drives energy, creativity, and purpose throughout the system. Its lungs, resources, breathe life into projects enabling growth and expansion. The brain, its vision, guides strategic direction and innovation, while the body, its operations, responds with efficiency and resilience. Orchestrating these components effectively is what ensures a business health and its fitness. Let us look at the 5 pillars of organizational health. First, vision. A strong vision provides direction and purpose. Companies with a clear and purpose-driven vision achieve 33% higher revenue growth according to McKinsey. Further, companies with a clear vision and purpose outperform the market by 42% as per studies. This clarity fosters alignment, strategy, and execution, ensuring long-term relevance and impact in a competitive world. For example, Tesla's vision to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy drives its innovation and market leadership in electric vehicles and renewable energy. Similarly, Patagonia's vision to save our home planet guides its environmental initiatives and sustainable business practices. The second pillar is manpower. Employees are the heartbeat of any organization. Findings reveal that organizations with strong sense of purpose have 40% higher levels of employee engagement. Organizations with comprehensive wellness programs for employees have a 28% lower turnover rate. Research by Gallup reveals that businesses with highly engaged teams see 21% greater profitability. For example, Amazon's $1.2 billion initiative to upskill 300,000 employees demonstrates the importance of empowering people with knowledge, fostering commitment, and building a culture of continuous learning. Similarly, Google offers extensive wellness programs, including on-site fitness centers, mental health support, and wellness coaches, contributing to high employee satisfaction and retention. Microsoft's employee giving program and wellness initiatives promote a healthy work-life balance and community engagement. The third pillar is resources. An organization's assets, technological, financial, and intellectual, serve as its lungs, sustaining its operations and enabling growth. Research shows that efficient resource allocation can lead to a 20% increase in operational efficiency. Studies further show that companies which adopt sustainable resource management practices see a 15% reduction in operational costs. Companies like Tesla leverage cutting-edge innovation and robust financial management, helping the organization stay ahead in competitive markets. Unilever's Sustainable Living Plan focuses on reducing environmental impact and improving resource efficiency, leading to cost savings and enhanced brand reputation. Similarly, Apple's commitment to using 100% recycled materials in its products demonstrates effective resource management and sustainability. The fourth pillar is operations. Operational excellence is the engine of sustainability. Research shows that streamlined operations can result in a 30% increase in profitability. Companies that integrate advanced technologies into their operations see a 25% improvement in productivity. Streamlined operations supported by innovation create agility and a pathway to scaling new heights. Toyota's lean manufacturing principles and continuous improvement processes drive operational excellence and cost efficiency, which save billions annually, exemplifying how efficient systems drive profitability. Similarly, Amazon's use of automation and AI in its logistics and supply chain operations enhances efficiency and customer satisfaction. The fifth pillar is orchestration. True success lies in the harmonious integration of vision, manpower, resources, and operations. Research shows companies with well-aligned strategies, objectives, and operations achieve 35% higher financial performance. Further, effective orchestration of cross-functional teams leads to a 20% increase in innovation. Apple's ability to seamlessly combine design, technology, and marketing exemplifies the power of orchestration, generating over $400 billion in annual revenue and defining global benchmarks for excellence. Similarly, IBM's strategic alignment and cross-functional collaboration initiatives foster innovation and drive business growth. P&G's integrated business planning and orchestration of resources ensure alignment with strategic goals and market demands. These 5 pillars are fundamental to an organization's health and fitness. But besides this, the stakeholder imperative is also important. Healthy organizations extend their impact beyond internal efficiencies to include all stakeholders. Deloitte's research shows that 73% of CEOs believe value creation for stakeholders, including employees, customers, communities, and the environment, is critical for long-term success. Organizations that focus on stakeholders' well-being foster trust, loyalty, and sustainable growth. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the health and fitness of an organization are vital determinants of its longevity and success. A thriving business combines a clear vision, a dedicated workforce, robust resources, and seamless operations into a cohesive and dynamic system. Such organizations create value that extends beyond profits, driving innovation, sustainability, and stakeholder satisfaction. In an interconnected world, businesses are both drivers and beneficiaries of progress. A healthy and fit organization not only endures but excels, inspiring trust, pride, and prosperity. The path forward lies in fostering resilience, adaptability, and responsibility, ensuring organizations are well equipped to meet the challenges of tomorrow and deliver lasting contributions to the society. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.